In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Outlook email with folders and auto rules. If your inbox feels cluttered or you spend too much time dragging messages around, these steps will help you automate your sorting and keep things clean with very little effort. Let's start with the fastest way, creating a rule from an existing message. Find an email you want to automate, maybe a newsletter or a weekly update. Right-click it, select Rules, and choose Create Rule. Outlook will show options to automatically move messages from that sender into a folder. Pick the folder where you want those emails to go. If you need more control, select More options to add conditions like keywords or actions like marking the message as read. Click OK to save. Outlook may ask if you want to run the rule on messages already in your inbox. This is a great way to clean things up instantly. Now for the more customizable method. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of Outlook, go to Mail, then Open Rules. Select Add New Rule. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Add your conditions, such as from, subject contains, or other filters. Then choose the action, most commonly moved to, and pick the folder where those messages should land. If you want to organize old messages too, enable Run Rule Now. When everything looks right, click Save. A few quick tips: keep your conditions specific to avoid accidentally moving the wrong emails, and name your folders clearly so they're easy to navigate. If you create multiple rules, remember Outlook processes them in order, so review them occasionally, and rearrange them if needed. And that's it. By combining simple message-based rules with more advanced custom rules, you'll keep your inbox organized automatically and focus on the emails that actually matter.